how do you want to buy all these things? Maybe you want to buy this black color, you want to buy like 5 pieces and buy this guy here, you want to buy like 2 pieces, you want to buy like different colors, you want to buy it. So but you don't know how to buy them. I'm quickly going to be sharing with you how to do that. So now let me start with this black color. Okay, so now for this black color, I just only wanted to buy what? I want to buy 2 pieces and I want to add it directly to my purchase and make a purchase. So I will not be coming back over and over again to do what? To buy it. So this is what you will do. Now this is where you want to come, so you can add everything together and make your purchase once. You can see it here. Choose multiple styles at once. So alright guys, welcome back to another edifying tutorial on how you can do what? How you can start mini importation from the comfort of your room. Alright, so hi, I'm your regular host. My name is Samuel Joshua, and of course this is the voice of Zion Hub Logistics Limited. Guess what? We are coming up with something different this time around. Okay, so we are looking at what? We are looking at how a lot of people have contacted me, and before I get to know these things, is at least it takes times. So why don't you just appreciate the fact that I make a lot of research? Just like the video as you're watching it, then just give me a positive review. Just Zion, thank you for researching. I love your videos, stuff like that. So we are looking at how you can make a multiple purchase on Pindoudou. Now, what do I mean by this? A lot of us discover the fact that when we want to buy an item on Pindoudou, maybe a supplier, you can see the screenshots on the screen right now. Maybe this supplier want to like he has these varieties. Maybe you want to buy skirts, right? Let's say I want to use ladies skirts or ladies handbag, right? So you now want to select different colors, you want to select different colors, different sizes, right? And you don't know how to do it. Like maybe you don't want to be buying them one after the other, right? So in this tutorial, I'm quickly going to be sharing with you how you can place this order at a time. Like you are going to be adding them multiple orders at a time. That's exactly what I'm going to be sharing with you. So I get to discover it's possible, like on a go, when you're trying to make a purchase, it's possible for you to do what? To make these purchases alongside with, maybe you want to choose different sizes, different colors, and what? Different design, just at a go, instead of you buying it multiple times. So this is exactly what I'm going to be sharing with you. But before we dive into the tutorial, I want you to do what? Subscribe to our YouTube channel if this is your first time of seeing the content. And what you want to do to help our channel grow is to do what? Like the video, share it, and also comment to whomsoever you think this video will be helpful to. You can share it to them, right? There's love in sharing, of course. Yes. And don't forget, we are available for consultation, mentorship, and what? We are available for trainings. If you need a complete training on how you can start buying directly from 1688, how you can start buying directly from idle fish. As a matter of fact, I have a complete course on gadget importation. That haven't been said. If you're interested in getting these courses, why don't you just reach out to me with the number displaying on your screen? And without further more ado, let's dive into the tutorial. So I'm quickly going to be sharing and explaining how you can buy multiple items, right, from a store. So let's assume you want to buy from a store and you don't want to be buying them one after the other. You just want to cut it, cut the size, cut everything, and make your purchase. Okay, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can do it. So this is one of my client quotation, and I was supposed to buy this link for her. So I was supposed to buy it. So at the point of me buying, so that's why I'm trying to create this tutorial out of the purchase, so you can also learn and what, and grab one or two things, so you can just apply it whenever you are buying from idle fish. So please, whenever you are buying from Pindoudou rather, so please, if this is your first time of seeing a content like this, do what to like the video, share it, and also comment, please. We're also available for procurement, shipping, sourcing, and Alipay funding. And if you want the complete course on how you can start making use of Pindoudou, we can also help you create what? We can help you create a Pindoudou account without having a verified WeChat account. So we just create the account for you and you will log in directly. So we are available for all these services. That having been said, let's dive into the tutorial. Let's assume I want to buy this trouser or leggings or whatever it is that it is. So I'm just going to come down here, click on this red icon here. I must have believed that you know how to check all those review stuffs and the likes. In my previous tutorial, we've looked at how you can add and manage multiple shipping address. You can see how many shipping address have added in the past, both for my clients and for myself. So I'm going to be leaving it under the description button on how you can also change different warehouse address. So let's continue. So now how do you want to buy all these things? Maybe you want to buy this black color, you want to buy like 5 pieces and buy this guy here, you want to buy like 2 pieces, you want to buy like different colors, you want to buy it. So but you don't know how to buy them. I'm quickly going to be sharing with you how to do that. So now let me start with this black color. Okay, so now for this black color, I just only wanted to buy what? I want to buy 2 pieces and I want to add it directly to my purchase and make a purchase. So I will not be coming back over and over again to do what? To buy it. So this is what you will do. You see where we have this dash here. Let me screenshot and go to my Google Translator so I can show you. So this is my Google Translator. Then click on this guy. So now this is where you want to come, so you can add everything together and make your purchase once. You can see it here. Choose multiple styles at once. So that is to tell you you can choose this navy blue, choose black, choose orange, and also choose this wine red and make the purchase completely. So you just want to come down there, then you click on it. So after you click on it here, my client needed this 90%. He needed one. Then he also needs this 1 centimeter, 1 10 centimeter, right? So if I'm to come back, cross check again, you can see here 90 and what? 90 and 120. That's what my client needed. I think 120 is out of stock. Can you see it? But I'm just going to be using it for tutorial sake. So I'm just going to click on this 90 centimeter. I'm first going to add that one. So I'm going to click on this red. So automatically one has been added, right? So let's say I want to add another color here. Let me add like, okay, I think the MOQ for this is 2. That is what is showing me here. It has not been added. You can see here is writing 2. So let me select 2 now for this black and let me add it. So I will click here. Automatically you can see now it has been added. So if you want to load the MOQ, you can go for 2. I've minus it. You can see that it has turned to 2. So now if you want to add another one, you click on this plus icon here to add. So let's assume I still want to buy another size for this black color. I'll just scroll down, select the size I want to go for. If it is 110, I'll select 110. Then I'm going to click on 2 again because the MOQ for this jeans is 2. So I'm going to click on this red guy again to add. You can see now it has added it. Please take note of the centimeter. The first one we added is what? Is 90 centimeter. The second one is 110. So still on that page, if you still want to add another color, just click on this add color here. Then you can see another color. So let's say I want to add this pink. I'll click on this pink, then scroll down. I can add 120, then select 2 again, then add it. So automatically I've added it. So once you are done adding everything, then you click, it will calculate everything itself. So after calculating it itself, then you click on this 32 to pay. So once I click on it now, you can see now this is still the breakdown of the order. So if I have to click on my Alipay here, then if I'm to click on it, it will load and redirect me to Alipay. So I can make my payments directly. So I think this payment has go successfully now without inputting my payment pin. So if I'm to check, let me go and check because I've already I've already set it. You can see here it has been paid. Let me check. So I think this is the order here. So let's screenshot. Let me see if the payment went successfully or not. So I need to confirm because it is a tutorial purpose, so I don't want to do it. So you can see here, ordered successfully. You can see it here, it has been bought. So I'm just going to go back and ask for a refund because I don't want her to buy it. This is just for a tutorial, so I'm going to click here, then apply for a refund. Right, let me just select one of these reason here so they can quickly give me my money back. So let me select this first one. I don't want it anymore. Then I'm just going to click on this guy to refund me. So I think the refund is successful. So you can see here, since it's immediately, they are going to refund your money immediately. So that's, you can see here, 10.18 yuan will be refunded to your Alipay in 20 minutes. So they refunded as successful. So that is to tell you how you can add multiple words, multiple payments, how you can add multiple items on your cart and buy it directly, right? So if you want us to help you do procurement, we are available for procurement, we are available for training, we can also help you open an account. Okay, so I hope you find value in watching today's tutorial. Thank you guys for watching it to the very end, and I will see you in my next tutorial.